Hi, my great students with math kids. Today we'll take our new lesson, which is find missing parts of 10. Find missing parts of 10. Let's go to the first page. At this picture, we have two parts and we have the whole number. At the red part, we have 3. And at the yellow part, we don't know the number, but we know that the whole number we have 10. The question is, how can we get the second part? How can we get the yellow part? Let's use the counters to know. At the first part or at the red part, we have 3 counters. We don't know the number at the yellow part, but we know that the whole number we have 10 counters. Now, let's think together. How can we get the second part? So it will be 3 plus what gives you 10? 3 plus what gives you 10? Excellent, very good. So we will draw 3 plus 7 more counters gives you 10. 3 plus 7 more counters gives you 10. Okay, next example. Use work math 3 and counters to find missing parts of 10. At the first picture, we have the two parts and we have the whole number. The first part, we have 4 red counters. 4 red counters. At the second part, which is the yellow part, we don't know the number, but we know that the whole number we have 10 counters. So, how can we get the second part? How can we get the yellow part? Okay, let's think together. So we'll draw 4 plus what gives you 10? 4 plus how many more counters that gives you 10? You can use your fingers. You can count after 4 to get the number. So 4 plus 6 gives you 10. Very good, excellent. For the next one, okay, we have here at the red part, we don't know the number. At the yellow part, we have 5, and we know the whole number will be 10. Okay, how can we get the first part, which is the red part? So, what plus 5 it gives you 10? The question is, what plus 5 it gives you 10? You can use your fingers again. Count after 5. Very good. So, 5 plus 5 gives you 10. So, we'll draw 5 at the red part. We'll draw 5 at the red part. For the next example, find the missing parts of 10. Okay, at the first example in this page, we have 1 at the red part. We don't know the number at the yellow part, and the whole number we have 10. Okay, let's think together. So it will be 1 plus what gives you 10? 1 plus what gives you 10? Excellent. 1 plus 9 gives you 10. 1 plus 9 gives you 10. You can count on your fingers after 1, okay, till you reach 10. So you'll get 9 on your fingers. So 1 plus 9 gives you 10. The next example in this page, we don't know the number at the red part. At the yellow part, we have 8, and the whole number we have 10. So, what plus 8 gives you 10? What plus 8 gives you 10? So, after 8, 9, 10. So, we have 2 on our fingers. So, 2 plus 8 gives you 10. 2 plus 8 gives you 10. So, we'll draw 2 at the first part. Now, let's go to the problem solving at the missing part of 10. The problem solving says, Max wrote 7 at the yellow missing part. Max wrote 7 at the yellow missing part. Tell why Max is wrong. tell why Max is wrong and make it right. Okay, now let's think together. So 2 plus what gives you 10? 2 plus what gives you 10? Very good. 2 plus 8 gives you 10. So we must draw 8 instead of 7. We must draw 8 instead of 7. So 2 plus 8 gives you 10. The whole number will be 10. Thank you, my students, and see you next lesson with all best of luck.